very happy to introduce our latest series of videos. We filmed these in an IATF 16949 certified organisation, a Tier 1 supplier involved in the remanufacturing of used diesel particulate filters. With an ever-increasing focus on the environment and sustainability, remanufacturing in the automotive sector is continuing to increase. And for these remanufactured diesel particulate filters, it's essential that they are fully compliant with the stringent emissions legislation. The videos that you're going to see will show extracts of simulated IATF 16949 audits focused on the organisation's remanufacturing processes. So watch the videos and see if the auditor is undertaking the audits effectively. As always, we really welcome and value any feedback and comments, so please feel free to drop any comments under the videos.
So the final step in the process I want to look at then is packaging. And I know you do a limited amount of kitting, don't you? Yeah. Can you explain a little bit to me about that?
Yeah, so for some customer we would fit the gas, so we have some components to fit on the unit itself or to kit in the box when we pack. So it depends on the customer. Here you see a customer where we fit the gasket on the product.
Yeah.
The gasket itself is a directed by component.
Yeah, and I'll follow that through with procurement a little bit later.
That's fine.
I can see the packaging standard the guys are following.
So, yeah, absolutely. This is explaining what to put in the box and how to fit the gasket.
Yeah. What about the cleanliness of the packaging?
So, because they are returning packaging, it's a valid question actually. We do also clean the boxes because when they come in with dirty filters, they still contain some gasket residue or some soot that are coming out of the dirty unit. Yeah. Therefore, we wash these boxes as well, and so we can reuse them, but don't put any dirtiness in the unit itself.
Yeah, yeah. And with the shot blasting, is there any maximum time between them being shot blasted and packaged?
No, that doesn't matter actually. Once it's shot blasted, that's valid for the,
right, okay.
That doesn't have any validity.
Yeah. Okay, now thank you for that. So we'll follow the audit trail. I want to follow the audit trail about the maintenance, and I want to follow the audit trail to procurement about the direct buy suppliers.
That's fine,
Okay?
Okay.
No, thank you. In this audit, the auditor is auditing the process of final kitting and packaging. In many organisations, the historic focus has been focused on reducing quality defects shipped to the customer, for example by using the PFMEA to drive risk reduction. While many organisations have been successful in improving quality performance, packaging and labelling issues continue to be a source of concern and the cause of customer rejections. In auditing the packaging and the labelling process, this gives the auditor the opportunity to question the organisation's understanding of customer requirements. Also, with an increased focus in the supply chain on returnable packaging, one of the audit trails to follow is how any returnable packaging is checked to make sure that it isn't damaged, labels removed, and also make sure that it meets the defined cleanliness standard. It was good that the auditor questioned this. Also, this process includes kitting. In the kitting process, the auditee stated that some of the kitted parts are supplied from customer-nominated suppliers. This gives an opportunity to follow an audit trail to the procurement process. One of the related IATF requirements is 8.4.1.3 customer-directed sources, sometimes known as direct buy. Again, wherever possible, auditors should question the personnel performing the work, rather than the indirect people that are involved in the process. So let's summarise. When auditing manufacturing, auditors should verify the organisation's understanding of customer requirements. For example, in this video, customer requirements related to packaging and labelling, and that the relevant standards have been defined in work instructions that should be available within the work area. If it is found during an audit that there is returnable packaging, auditors should follow audit trails to verify how the packaging is inspected to ensure that it is fit for use and that the packaging meets any defined cleanliness standards.